Cześć, it's Dorota. Welcome to Polish with Dorota. In this lesson, you will learn the most important basic 11 words in Polish related to time. You need to know these words on A1 level. And if you're watching me for the first time, you need to know that apart from YouTube channel, I also run an online Polish language school where you can learn Polish with my fantastic teachers from anywhere you are. And do you want to see more resources like this video lesson? Then go to my website polishwithdorota.pl to find more free materials like this. Let's start. The first word I want to teach you today is a word time in Polish. How to say time? It is czas. Czas. For example, mam czas. Or nie mam czasu. You noticed for sure that there are two different forms of the same word. It both means time. And if you don't know why nouns in Polish change, why sometimes we will say czas and sometimes czasu, you will benefit from my video course Ultimate Guide to Polish Cases Part 1, where I explain step by step how the cases work. The cases are different form of nouns, like here, czas, czasu. The link to this course is in the description box. So the first word for today is czas, which means time. The second word is today. Today is dzisiaj. 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 DZI we pronounce as dzi. And SI we pronounce as si. Dzisiaj. Dzisiaj. If you are still struggling with Polish letters, alphabet and pronunciation, I have a good news for you because I've recorded 3 video lessons and they are available for free on YouTube. These lessons are about the Polish alphabet and about the pronunciation. Links are in the description box. Today in Polish is dzisiaj. For example, dzisiaj jest niedziela. But we have another short version of this word, and this is dziś. Dziś. It means completely the same, but it is a bit more official than dzisiaj. So you can also say dziś jest niedziela. How to say tomorrow? Tomorrow is jutro. Jutro. For example, jutro jest poniedziałek. Jutro. It's tomorrow. And yesterday is wczoraj. Wczoraj. Wczoraj była sobota. Please note that the W here in this word is pronounced as f. F. Wczoraj. So again, today is dzisiaj or dziś. Tomorrow is jutro and yesterday is wczoraj. How to say day in Polish? Day is dzień. Dzień. But please be aware that this word has a bit strange plural form. And this form is dni. So when you want to say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, you will say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dni. For example, dzisiaj jest bardzo ładny dzień. Jadę na 3 dni do Krakowa. If you want to start your journey with Polish language in the best way possible, I invite you to my online Polish school. My teachers will guide you step by step, so you will avoid the hassle of learning Polish on your own. Day is dzień and week is tydzień. Tydzień. And here the plural forms are quite strange. When you want to say 2, 3, 4 weeks, you will say 2, 3, 4 tygodnie. And if you want to say 5, 6, 7 and more weeks, you will say 5, 6, 7 tygodni. Examples. Tydzień ma 7 dni. Mam 2 tygodnie urlopu. Jadę do Krakowa na 5 tygodni. Do you want to know the names of the days of the week, like Monday, Wednesday, Thursday in Polish? I have a video on this topic and the link should be here and is also in the description box. So a week is tydzień and the month is miesiąc. Miesiąc. S-I, you already know that, we pronounce as she, and this letter, the A with a tail, as we call it, we pronounce in this particular word as on, like in an English word pond. So this is miesiąc, miesiąc. Plural forms also are quite strange. 2, 3, 4 months is 2, 3, 4 miesiące. Miesiące. And 5, 6 months will be 5, 6 miesięcy. Miesięcy. This letter, the E with a tail, we pronounce in this particular word as N, like in an English word and. Miesięcy. Miesięcy. Listen to examples. Następny miesiąc to kwiecień. 2 miesiące temu byłam w Warszawie. Mieszkam w Polsce 5 miesięcy. Do you want to know the names of months in Polish? I have something for you as well on this topic. I prepared a full video course on this topic and it is completely free. You will learn the names of the months. You will learn how to say that something happened in a particular month or on the particular day of the month. The forms are different here. For example, January is styczeń. In January is w styczniu and on the 1st of January is 1 stycznia. You will learn all of this with my video lessons and you will master this material with the exercises provided. The course is absolutely free. All you need to do is to go to my website and create a free account. The course is there for you. Of course, the link is in the description box below. Enjoy! But let's go back to the words related to time in Polish. A month is miesiąc and a year is rok. Rok. But the plural forms are totally different. 2, 3, 4 years will be 2, 3, 4 lata. And 5, 6 years will be 5, 6 lat. Some examples for you. Teraz jest rok 2024. On mieszka w Polsce już 3 lata. Jego córka ma 7 lat. Do you want to learn about the logic behind these strange plural forms? When do we say rok, lat, lata? I have a full video lesson on YouTube about that, and the link will be also in the description. Next 3 words are smaller time units. The word number 9 is sekunda. Sekunda. And I think you understand what it means. It means a second. Plural forms are also different for 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and more. So 2, 3, 4 seconds, 2, 3, 4 sekundy, 5, 6 seconds, 5, 6 sekund. And maybe you will ask, but why 2 sekundy? Why not 2? I've got you covered. I've recorded a video lesson on that. This is about the difference between 2 and 2, and again, the link is in the description. Listen to the examples with the word sekunda. Poczekaj sekundę. Jej rekord w maratonie to 4 godziny, 50 minut i 30 sekund. This last example shows you how to say a minute and an hour in Polish. A minute is minuta, minuta. Plural forms 2, 3, 4 minuty, 5, 6 minut. Examples. Poczekaj minutę. Mam tylko 5 minut. Mamy pociąg za 22 minuty. A minute is minuta and an hour is godzina. Godzina. Plural forms 2, 3, 4 godziny, 5, 6 godzin. Examples. Pociąg z Warszawy do Poznania jedzie 3 godziny, a pociąg z Krakowa do Poznania jedzie prawie 6 godzin. Która jest godzina? Alright, so now you've got it. You know already 11 Polish words related to time. And these are: time is czas. Today, dzisiaj or dziś. Tomorrow is jutro. Yesterday, wczoraj. Day, dzień. Plural form dni. A week tydzień. Plural forms 2, 3, 4 tygodnie, 5, 6 tygodni. A month miesiąc. Plural forms 2, 3, 4 miesiące, 5, 6 miesięcy. A year rok. Plural forms 2, 3, 4 lata, 5, 6 lat. A second sekunda, and in plural 2, 3, 4 sekundy, 5, 6 sekund. A minute minuta, 2, 3, 4 minuty, 5, 6 minut. And the last word, an hour, is godzina. 2, 3, 4 godziny, 5, 6 godzin. If you find this lesson useful, I invite you to support my channel. Link to do so is in the description. You can also support me by buying one of my video courses. For example, a course, How to Survive in a Polish Shop. This is a course in English for very beginners. It will help you a lot in doing shopping in Poland. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next lessons. Pa pa!